Rules of Road, or ROR. Rule number 6, safe speed. Every vessel shall at all times proceed at a safe speed, ensuring she can take proper and effective action to avoid a collision and be stopped within a distance appropriate to the prevailing circumstances and conditions, including visibility, traffic density, and maneuverability of the vessel. In determining a safe speed, the following factors shall be among those taken into account. A. By all vessels. I. The state of visibility. 2. The traffic density, including concentrations of fishing vessels or any other vessels. The maneuverability of the vessel, including its agility in open waters, with special reference to stopping distance and deceleration and turning ability in the prevailing conditions, is crucial for safe navigation. At night, the presence of background light, such as from shore lights and other vessels, or from backscatter of her own lights, can affect visibility and must be taken into consideration for safe passage. The state of wind, sea and current, and the proximity of navigational hazards are key factors that must always be assessed. The draft in relation to the available depth of water is another important aspect to consider for safe navigation. Additionally, by vessels with operational radar, the characteristics, efficiency, and limitations of the radar equipment, and any constraints imposed by the radar range scale in use. So, let's consider the effect on radar detection of the sea state, weather, and other sources of interference. These factors can significantly impact the accuracy and reliability of radar readings. Another important aspect to keep in mind is the possibility that small vessels, ice, and other floating objects may not be detected by radar at an adequate range. This limitation can pose serious navigational challenges. Additionally, we need to account for the number, location, and movements of vessels detected by radar. This information is crucial for making informed decisions on the water. Lastly, radar can provide a more exact assessment of the visibility that may be possible when used to determine the range of vessels or other objects in the vicinity. This advanced capability can significantly enhance situational awareness and overall maritime safety, especially in challenging conditions.